welcome to Little Learners. In this video we'll be looking at the sound The name for this letter is U, and the sound it makes is Let's look at some words that start with this sound. Is for umbrella. 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 Is for udder. 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 Is for upset. 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 Is for unlock. 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 Is for up. 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 Is for uncle. 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 Is for under. 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 All of those words started with the sound Practice makes progress, so let's take a look at those words again. Is for umbrella. 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 Is for udder. 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 Is for upset. 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 Is for unlock. 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 Is for up. 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 Is for uncle. 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 Is for under. 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 That concludes our words for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up as it really helps out the channel, and if you want to see more videos just like this one, you can click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.